Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom and well-being. Welcome back to another thought-provoking episode of Wealthy and Well with yours truly, Mason. Today, my friends, we delve into a topic that strikes fear into the hearts of many and challenges the very essence of our sense of security: identity theft. Aspect 1: the invasion of privacy. Identity theft, my friends, is not just a mere inconvenience or financial setback. It is a violation of our privacy, an intrusion into the sacred space of our personal lives. Our identities, our very essence, are stolen and manipulated by faceless individuals who care not for the consequences of their actions. It leaves us feeling exposed, vulnerable, and questioning the trust we place in the world. Aspect 2: the emotional toll. The emotional toll of identity theft cannot be underestimated. It shakes the foundations of our self-confidence and leaves us questioning our own judgment. We may find ourselves constantly looking over our shoulders, wondering if someone is watching, waiting to strike again. The fear and anxiety that accompany this violation can seep into every aspect of our lives, affecting our relationships, our work, and our overall well-being. Aspect 3: the financial fallout. Of course, the financial implications of identity theft are significant. Our hard-earned money, our credit scores, and our financial stability can all be shattered in an instant. We may find ourselves drowning in a sea of debt, struggling to regain our financial footing. The road to recovery can be long and arduous, requiring countless hours spent on phone calls, paperwork, and legal battles. It is a battle that tests our resilience and determination. Aspect 4: rebuilding trust. But my friends, amidst the darkness, there is always a glimmer of light. Identity theft challenges us to rebuild not only our financial security but also our trust in the world. It forces us to take a closer look at our own vulnerabilities and to strengthen our defenses. It teaches us the importance of vigilance, of safeguarding our personal information, and of being proactive in protecting our identities. Aspect 5: empowering others. And here's the beautiful thing, my friends. By sharing our experiences and knowledge, we can empower others to protect themselves against the perils of identity theft. We can create a community of support where we stand together against those who seek to exploit our vulnerabilities. Together, we can raise awareness, educate others, and advocate for stronger protections against this insidious crime. So, my friends, as we navigate the treacherous waters of identity theft, let us not succumb to fear or despair. Let us rise above the challenges it presents and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Remember, true security lies not just in the measures we take to protect ourselves, but also in the knowledge that we are not alone in this journey. Before we part ways, my friends, I kindly ask you to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you join our community of seekers, committed to living richly in all dimensions of life. Until next time, my friends, stay wealthy and well.